Good morning, everybody. It's very nice to see you today, and our first class will be about numbers. I have to count some farm animals today. I have to count horses and cows and pig and sheep and roosters, but I need your help. Will you help me to count these animals? Yes? Well, thank you very much. Let's get started. Let's count some farm animals. Let's look at this picture. How many yellow dogs do we see? 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow ducks. Where is number 3? Number 3 is here. 3 yellow ducks. How many white and black cows do we see on this picture? Let's count together. 1. Just 1. Okay, where is number 1? Number 1 is here. 1 black and white cow says moo. Okay. So these are goats. How many goats do we see here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is number 4? Here is number 4. 4 goats. Okay, let's count roosters. How many roosters do we see here? 1, 2. 2 roosters. Where is number 2? Here is number 2. We see 2 roosters. On this picture, I see cats. How many meow meow cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is number 6? Here is number 6. Good job. On this picture, I see mice. How many squeak squeak mice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mice. Where is number 8? Here is number 8. 8 mice. Okay. But who is on this picture? Let's see. This is a goose. Goose. Repeat after me. Goose. The goose is white, right? It is white. It has wings. But goose doesn't fly really far. Goose lives on the farm with pigs and cows and sheep, right? Goose lives on the farm. So how many geese do we see on this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 geese. Where is number 5? Here is number 5. 5 geese. Okay, let's count pigs on this picture. How many wake wake pigs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is number 7? Here is number 7. 7 pigs. And let's count tiny yellow chicken. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chicken. Where is number 10? Let's have a look. Here. Here is number 10. Well done. And let's count the turkey birds. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's find number 9. Where is number 9? Here is number 9. 9 turkey birds. Well done.